make hamburgers, but I'll have to call my friend to see if, my best friend, to see if he wants to come be on video and have camera. Come over so we can make our favorite, famous fried hamburgers.
Good morning. This is your girl Tara Love Diva, and I am coming to you with let's get ready with me today. Today I have like a few things to do, which is get me some coffee started and get my face mask on, and my day's kind of started. Brushing my teeth because my lips are dry. I need some lip stuff. Alexa, resume.
Happiness 2-for-1.
Alexa is reading a book to me about.
The fast track to happiness is gratitude. As we saw before,
I will tell you in a second.
it's impossible for love and fear to coexist in your brain at the same time. Gratitude is the purest form of love, so it's easiest to access and works the quickest.
How to be happy.
One of the fastest ways to be genuinely happier is to develop a gratitude habit.
It's on Alexa, but the book is from Kindle. It's free. I like listening to stuff like this.
List 5 things you're grateful for that day. If you're feeling really low and things are going terribly.
So if you hear something in the background, that is Alexa. Alexa, not Alexa. What we're going to wash my face with today. Let's sit you all up here. We're going to use Neutrogena. Because I'm just going to be using Neutrogena with my, Neutrogena and my little scrub brush thing until I get that electrical one. Yeah, and what I'm going to brush my teeth with is my favorite, baking soda and peroxide Colgate. Not sponsored, but this is Colgate. Here's my boob showing. Okay. It's Colgate what I will brush my teeth with. So let me get my face washed and I will be right back. And yes. Oh yeah, do me a favor. Comment, like, and subscribe. And the hair I am wearing is an old wig that I revamped. Not revamped. I just put it in a ponytail. It's going to be out today. Because I'm going to put some flexi rods in it. It's going to be an all day flexi rod day. Hey, all day. No, it's not because I'm filming. So what we're going to do is, I don't know what I'm doing my hair today. But anyway, hoping everybody's having a great day. Quote of the day is, can see, I am about to do something with this hair. I am about to do something with my hair. If I can get this hair scrunchy thing out of it. And after I put the flexi rods in, I am going to, come on. It fell. I am going to put on a face mask after I put the flexi rods in. And then after my day gets started, I will be... I'll have to take something out for dinner. I don't know what I want to cook. Ribs, chicken, or pork chops. I did ribs already. I don't know what I want for dinner, to be honest. I really don't know. And as I stated earlier, this is the old wig that I just decided to put back on. So what we're going to do is put a little bit of oil sheen. Now, what's this stuff here? I'm not getting paid for it. Some pink moisturizer hair lotion. I will put that in here. And put a little heat to it. And then put some flexi rods in it. And I will come back when I put the mask on. A drawer full of flexi rods. I need to redo my bathroom and put some on shelves, because this, what I have, is not getting it. But anywho, we're going to start from the top like I always. About to plot between the toilet running, somebody's showers running. Way better. Okay, now I am about to apply the clay face mask, which is this one here. I don't know if y'all have seen my video before, but I've done a review on this one. So what we're going to do is apply this all over. I hope I don't get it on my robe because I'm clumsy. So after I do that, I'm looking at the viewfinder. After I apply this, I'm going to go and do some work on my computer and drink me some coffee. So would you like to come along? If you don't, come anyway. That'd be so corny. I know. Who cares? I like this face mask, to be honest. It really, I'm looking in the viewfinder just to put this on. This clay mask soothes your skin. You might hear noise, people talking, they outside. I think they know when I go to record here. Nobody was outside all yesterday or all today. I want to make hamburgers, but I will have to call my friend to see if, my best friend, to see if he wants to come come be on video, have camera, come over so we can make our famous fried hamburgers. Only thing about this here application, it doesn't get in between your nose over here. So now I have to oh, and by the way, my best friend is a guy. Yes, men and women can be friends. Y'all kill me. I have plenty of friends, especially the ones I grew up with. We all friends. We're not friends with benefits. We just not friends because we're attracted. We're friends because everybody likes to be Tara's friend. You hear water running. I have to wash my hands. So for anyone that thinks that you cannot have men or women as friends, you're wrong. You're insecure, because I have plenty of male friends, and when I was married I had plenty of friends. So it has nothing to do with, oh, they might be attracted, I don't trust it, da, da, da. Keyword, you don't trust. It's not saying that it can't be done. Lip gloss. But anyway, men and women can be friends. I have plenty of male friends that I have not had sex with and not planning on. My thing is, and most people tell you, you got a choice to be my friend. It's either be, to get with me. It's either be that friend for long term, because I don't do short term and I don't do seasonal, or try to holler at me and it doesn't work and then you lose my friendship totally. That's me. So men and women can be friends, and I keep repeating that. Why? Because I hate when people say, oh, my married couples, I only can be with married couples when we hang out. Watch the married couples, because those ones like to swap husbands and wives and you don't even know it. Trust me, I'm a relationship counselor. Been for many years, seen it, done it, been there. Oh, my best friend and my husband slept together, but y'all both married to different people. Come on. Friends, people could be friends with single people. Know your boundaries and stay in your lane. I don't go over to my best friend's house telling him how to run his relationship, and he don't come over here and tell me how to run my being single ship. Know your boundaries. Stay in your lane. Stay in your lane. Y'all best friends for a reason. Men and women need male and female friends in their life. That's not their partner. Grow up, and if you don't trust, don't be in a relationship. That is my clay mask rant for now. I'm gonna put this on the battery, my battery on the charger, but I'm about to finish. And it's hard to record when you got people talking. Anyway, I have made me some Starbucks coffee. I added milk because I can't drink creamer. I'm gonna look dark in this lighting. I add milk with some vanilla and sugar, and this is why I rented me a damn studio. I hope they're not as loud as me on my video. Hey, look at my little pan. I want to make some deep fried hamburgers. I need to call my big FF. Okay, I'm about to have me a cup of coffee and finish doing my inventory while I'm here in my room. And then, it's been a busy morning. It's only 9:45. Hey my love, this is your girl Tara Tell a Little Deeper. Welcome back to my channel. You're about to see in the title is a morning with Tara. It's not a morning routine, because every morning my routine is totally different. So I just came on with the little flexi-rods and pin curls just to say good morning. But what I did this morning is a review for Neutrogena products. So stay tuned for my morning routine. It was a basic morning, something simple. Did my hair, put a face mask on after I did the Neutrogena to have me some coffee, and I actually worked on some work this morning. So now I'm here saying good morning. It's Tuesday. Stay tuned for Tara La Diva TV. Well, I'll be having in the kitchen with Tara La Diva TV some kind of food I'm preparing tonight. So anyway, if you hear noise in the background, that's them out there cleaning. So with that being said, I'm going to end the video here, and do me a favor, comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. And I am working on making my videos a little bit more lively with some edit stuff. And this outfit I have on here, see I'm jumping from place to place, this outfit I have on, I will put it in the picture right here. I would stand up, but too much of my booty cheeks are showing. And this is YouTube, so you know I will be demonetized. So anyway, thank you for watching. This is your girl Tara Love Diva.